This Rolls-Royce suddenly leaked air and got stuck on the Manhattan Bridge. Immediately tow the vehicle over and repair it for me. Air shock absorbers like Bentley, Land Rover, Mercedes-Benz, Touareg, Porsche. Replacing one at a per-second store costs several $1,000s. See how I can help the car owner repair it back. Replace the broken parts with new ones. Use the crimping machine again to press it back in place. Then reinstall it according to the original factory method. Finally, re-inflate the test to complete the repair. Do you approve of such repairs? Discuss in the comments section.